All right, version 3, very much the same. Going around the min and your max is how the lowest altitude and the highest altitude. This changes the GPS to being full screen and back. Start, just like before, reset the counter, open and close the field, config. Vehicle now is quite simple. You just have % minimum slope that you want. The tool width, this is all in centimeters, and antenna height from the bottom of the cutting edge to the very top of the antenna. Over here is the bar graph for above and below the cut line and how many centimeters full scale it is. Here's the basic GPS information, drawing your cut line, the configuration buttons. You just don't have room for everything, so I threw some in there. And this is like the operating screen. This is for like last pass and recording and deleting the last pass. This is for zeroing the blade height and the delta, how far you are away from the cut line. And the rest of this, I think you'll know. This is for putting the plot out in Google Earth. So let's get going. I've already made a field here. So first thing you want to do is create your cut line. You can make it any way you want. So you see it turns purple and then green. Then if it's purple, you're below your desired maximum cut line. So there, the slope is here, how much ongoing is cut, how much is fill, and what the delta is. You can see as we cut deeper, cut more earth, that changes. You can delete a point. So kind of just do this, cut a bunch. So, and then save. So you'll see we have 8 cubic meters to cut, 10 meters, 10.7 of hole, and we'll have a leftover at 2.57. Now as we're bombing along here, we go on our work screen. Once the blade is above cut line, it tells you you're 0.8 centimeters above. You can zero this at any point. Usually down here would probably be the best. But if you click on here, you see this number going up. That's how many centimeters from here to full scale. So it's 5 centimeters full scale. So now we're roughly 2.5. If you click down, then that number decreases. So that kind of sets your scale for how many centimeters off the line you want this to display. And your last pass, you can record existing as you're driving along. It'll record your last pass, whatever you did at the time. You can erase it completely. You can stop and start recording it at any time. That sort of thing, and or just turn it right off completely. All right, and now Google Earth. You've got the profile in here. You've recorded it. Just hit Google Earth. Up pops Google Earth. Zoom in. And there's your cut line in Google Earth. Red, there's our field name. So the temporary places are the actual field name. And then when you exit, if you don't discard, then it keeps them in your My Places folder, so you can keep track of all your fields in My Places right in Google Earth of the cut lines you've made.